Alright guys, so I've had my Lexus GS about 4 days now, and if there's one thing that's bothering me, it's that shift knob. Yeah, it's just ugly. Plus it's kind of right here, the finish is kind of coming off. So what I ordered was this one. Alright, nice blue and black stitchings which match the navigation pretty nice, and even when you start the car, the blue is right there also. So I think it will be a nice addition. See that? Yeah, so I think it will be a nice addition to remove that. So if you don't know how to change your shift knob, I'm going to show you. Pretty simple. By the way, this is the F Sports shift knob. Big difference. See, that's just a random black with black stitching versus that again, which matches there pretty nice. So it's pretty simple to do this. You just pull this boot down like this. There you go. All right, it's all the way down, and then you spin this one counterclockwise. Okay, off it goes. Well, now here's a little comparison. They're pretty much the same size. It's just that this one looks way better. Plus, this one is perforated, just like the seats. Huh? Yeah. Either way, there you go. Sit it on there. Sit it on there, and then you spin it. Alright, keep spinning till it gets a little bit tight. About right there. Didn't take much. I mean, I can go more. Let's see. Okay, that's pretty tight enough because based on how I took it off, I wasn't the boot wasn't turning when I was doing it. So that's pretty straight. You just pull this back up. Boom. There you go. How was that? Much nicer. So that's a nice little tip and trick how to change your 4th Gen GS350 shift knob. This was my first mod for my Lex. My G37 is gone, and stay tuned. I have some nice mods coming for this car. Until then, my new slogan, keep a Lex in on them. Peace.